In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set your own photo on the dialer pad and color screen on any Android phone. All you have to do is open up Play Store and search My Photo Phone Dialer and select the app and select the install option. After the installation done, open it. Select the consult option. Select accept and again accept change default app and select the phone dialer this one and select set as default and again next. And now we are inside the app. Select the home screen option or you can change any one of these options. I'm going with the home screen. Select close the add option and now the home screen will open up. Select the background. You can choose either one of these backgrounds in here or you can pick it up from the mobile. Select the pick image option and select the image you like. I'm going with this image. Select the perfect center line. Then select the crop and apply option. Close the ad. Now as you can see it successfully applied. Select the theme option. You can change it to dark or light. Light doesn't looks good for this background. I'm gonna go with dark. And now you can just close the app and reopen it. Now this is the app we actually installed. All you have to do is just drag the before contact app to this page and drag it new phone dialer to this main menu. And now whenever you want to call, just open it. And as you can see, we have successfully set your photo on a phone dialer. And now you can go to contacts and select the person you want to call and select the call option. It's gonna be a normal phone contact app. The simple thing this app does is you can able to change the background or image. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.